I wish there was something I could do about these engines, but I can't. There's not much a little lone truck can do. What the What are you?
So, Dom, got any plans for the day? Usually go on a train or two. You know the norm. Hello, my compatriots. Hey, Scruffy. What you doing? Oh, the usual. But anyways, I have a proposition for you. And what's that, Scruffy? Well, I have a plan to get rid of all those engines and gain the respect that we need. Now, are you in or out? I'll join. I don't see why not. Good. Now, it is time for action. And anyone who gets in our way will be dealt with swiftly. Tell every truck on the line to make sure that these engines will learn that they can't control us forever. That we will be the ones in charge, and we'll get the respect we've always wanted. Mercy is a way for the weak to prevail, but not for me. All trucks will be causing chaos over the island. We'll start out slow, but we will rise to the occasion. Sorry, Poco, but it's time to stop early. Sorry, Douglas, but you're the first victim of many. The show must go on. Step 1 has been completed.
Douglas, I'll be back. I'll go find some help. Douglas! There hasn't been an accident on this railway in months, and I was hoping it would keep that way. I thought we finally got the trucks to behave, but I guess not. With all the damages that they've caused, this will set back a lot. Edward, get as many engines as you can to the sheds tonight, so I can discuss with them the future of the railway and to make sure it'll be safe. Hello, Fred. I hope the operations went well. So, what happened to our target? As planned, Scruffy. He's dealt with and out of our way. Good. Step 2 will begin tomorrow morning after we speak with our associate. Never told me who was in charge, Scruffy. All you mentioned was some powerful being that you met, and you didn't explain anything. Oh, my dear Fred, you will see tonight. So, are we going to discuss this or not? We have to wait for the Fat Controller. I just hope Douglas is okay. He will, Donald, don't worry. Hello, my engines. I'm here to discuss with you everything that I know of. First of all, sir, I have to ask, is Douglas okay? I'm currently not fully aware of his current condition, but I know he's alive, if not needing severe repairs. I hope that answers your question. Anyways, on to the topic at hand. I just want to say that I'll be keeping you all safe at all costs, no matter the state of the railway. I will try to make sure that all of you will stay safe. I don't want anything to happen to you all. That was all for tonight. Adjourned. Get some sleep. You guys think that we'll be safe for the future? I don't know, Thomas. We'll have to wait and see, I suppose.
Hello there, my friend. So, is our first victim out of the way?
Yes, he is, Proteus. He's in the works as far as I know.
Perfect. So, it's time to plan the next victim.
It is indeed that time to plan the next victim, but we have something to ask of you.
And what is that?
Well, we need an engine to help with certain things, because we can't really do it ourselves, and you can't really help with that.
that can be arranged.
What does that mean for us, Scruffy? That means things are about to get a lot more easy from here